Now I was complete this round by following previous pattern. Now I will change the color and here I will make the design. So first I skip 2 stitch and join the white yarn in the 3rd stitch. I will join the white yarn in the 3rd stitch and make 3 chain. Then I will make a double crochet over a double crochet. In the next space I will make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and in the same space I will make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Make 2 double crochet over the next 2 double crochet. Then I will skip 2 double crochet in both sides. Chain 1 and skip 2 stitch in both sides and make a 2 double crochet over the double crochet and make 3 double crochet in the space 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Make 2 chain, 1, 2 and in the same space make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Every space have 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and first 2 stitch make 2 double crochet and in the next 2 stitch skip, then 1 chain and skip 2 stitch and make 2 double crochet over the double crochet and space make 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make 2 chain, in the same space make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet and make 2 double crochet over 2 stitch, make 1 chain and skip 2 stitch and make 2 double crochet over 2 double crochet. In the space make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, in the same space make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 and 3 double crochet and make 2 double crochet over 2 double crochet and skip 2 double crochet and skip 2 stitch in both sides. And following this pattern I will complete this round 2.